how to sign in for ITVX account. So if you want to sign in to your ITVX account, then first of all, you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. So I'll be here with Chrome browser, and then go for the search bar and search for itvx.com and go for the first search. And here it will take you to the website or the web page. And here on the upper right side, you will have this account icon. Click on that and it will take you to the sign in or the register page. So if you want to sign in or if you want to log into your account, then you need to enter your email address which you have used to create your account. And after entering your email address, now you can click on continue, and here you have to enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, then simply go for forgot your password and then you can reset your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it and then click on sign in. And that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.